All right, Edwin Liddy here, and we're gonna season a pork shoulder. I had this defrosting in the fridge. It's to temperature right now, and I came home late, forgot about it. I said, oh God, I gotta get this thing seasoned. And I just remembered I don't gotta bother with getting a whole bunch of seasonings because we got our jerk marinade. This is the only thing I'm gonna use to season this pork shoulder, and you don't need anything else. And I'm gonna let this marinate for a day, maybe 2 days, and stick it in the smoker. But all you need is this jerk marinade. You can get this at the jerkspice.com website. We're gonna be bringing you a lot of videos showing you how to use the marinade. But I got the marinade here, and I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna put it all over this pork shoulder, and when I'm done, it will marinate a day or two, and after I cook it, you got your jerk pork. All right, so I've got the marinade in the bowl. I'm just gonna start to pour it on. I don't have any glove. I ran out of gloves, so I'm gonna use some tongs to really get it in there. But this is gonna be fan. It smells good already. Just this marinade has everything in it. I'm gonna do a video one day showing you everything that kind of goes into the seasoning. But I'll use the back of the spoon for now and just rub it in, get it all over, like you're putting on suntan lotion or something. It smells good. The marinade is going to penetrate the skin. It's going to get deep into the meat. And remember, everything you need is in this marinade. You don't got to add anything else to it. It has all your seasonings. Flipping it over now. And I'm going to get the back side, the rest of this right here. You can do it. It's not hard. You just get yourself some of this marinade. And this is not the generic stuff that's on the shelves in the supermarkets. This stuff is fresh. The way we make it, a lot of ingredients goes into it. It's all natural seasonings that we blend together to make this wet rub. My tongs fail, but that's all right. And I'll do another video showing you the finished product. I may even show you when I put it in the smoker. But it's gonna be some of the best pork you've ever eaten. I want you to try it though. Go get yourself a nice pork shoulder. Make sure you clean it. In order to clean this, I used water, and then I soaked it in vinegar and rubbed it around. And no, nothing came out of it because there's nothing wrong with this pork. All right, it's clean as far as it hasn't been exposed to flies and insects and all of that. But if you do put vinegar on pork and you see something come out of it, don't eat it. But this one is perfectly good. We clean our meat and make sure everything is edible. But that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover that up. All of this extra stuff. I'm gonna flip it around. But this thing is seasoned. Done. Just like that. I just used the jerk marinade. 1/10, not even, probably a half would season this entire pork. But hopefully that helps. We'll show you the finished product after about a day or two when I actually smoke it. And now I can put the foil on top and go to bed. All right, but you guys have a good night. See you in the next video. All right, so picking up where we left off, I told you I would show you what it was and how to cook the actual pork shoulder. So if you remember at the beginning of this video, I used the jerk marinade to season this. I was tired. I didn't want to add anything else. And this does everything for you. It's been marinating now for 2 days, and I don't feel like smoking it. I was going to stick it in the smoker, but I said, you know what? Let me just put it in the oven. So I got the oven preheated to 365 degrees. I anticipated taking 2 to 2.5 hours to cook, but I wanted you to see what it looks like. So take a look. The marinade has penetrated the meat. It's gone through the fat. It is into the bone. It smells great. And I'm gonna transfer it from the bowl into a foil pan. I'm gonna cover it, and I'm just gonna let it cook. But yeah, this looks great. Smells great. All right, let me get it in this foil pan. It's got some weight to it now. Here we go. Oh yeah, that smells great. So I have it in the foil pan. I am going to add water to the seasoning that's left in the pan, because I'm adding, basically it's going to turn into gravy when it's all said and done. Not only that, but all the juices and the water that's actually in the meat right now is going to come out and add to it, and you're gonna have some nice gravy. So I'm not pouring it on the pork, I'm pouring it on the side. Some up here. Yeah, that's it. And voila. This is now ready to be covered with foil. You can see that. And stuck in the oven, 2.5 hours. Try to get it up to temp. I want my internal temperature to hit about 165, and then it's ready to eat. What I'm thinking about doing is making some white rice and maybe a side of plantain, and then we're done. But again, look, this is all you need. This is all you need. This is all I use to season this. I didn't put anything extra on it, and it smells great. And if it smells great, it's probably gonna taste great. And I know if you use this, it's definitely gonna taste great. If you wanna get a bottle of this, thejerkspices.com, you can get a bottle, and follow the video. And let us know how it came out. Because if you use this, I'm telling you, anybody can do this. It's easy, you can do it. I'll put another video once this is actually cooked, all right? All right, so we're done. Pork took a little bit longer to cook. What I did was, after about an hour and 40 minutes, I actually took it out and I turned the pork over to let it finish cooking, put the foil back on. This way the heat get to the center. Right now, my internal temp is hovering around 180, which is a little high, but I have it sitting and it's coming down. But it's ready, it's done, it smells great. I took it out of the pan. You see how much gravy? Remember I poured the water, there's a lot of gravy in here. So, you know, if you cut this up and you leave it in there, it won't dry out, okay? This meat right here could serve all week if you do it the right way, and it will be just as moist and tender in 4 or 5 days as it is right now, because we didn't cook it dry. We want everything to have flavor and to have the juices, and for you to experience everything that goes into the jerk marinade. So everything's in it, and we'll do another video showing you what goes into making it. It is intense. But anyway, my wife, I said I was gonna make white rice. She made some rice and peas, right? And I just made some plantain. I'm gonna cut this up, and then I'm gonna put it back in the pan, and I'll go ahead and make a plate so you can actually see it. Oh yeah, it's like butter. I'm spoiled. Yeah, I got an electric knife. It just makes life easier. And I don't know, you can see the juices. Look at the juices coming out of the pork. I mean, it's just moist. It's ready to go. It smells good. This is going to taste really good. My mouth is watering. Let's stick this back in the gravy. And it's just falling apart. Nice and moist. It's cooked through. Listen, you're gonna love this pork. I hope you try it and let us know what you think. The key to this whole thing is the marinade. You gotta get the marinade. You can get it on the jerkspices.com website. And we make it from scratch. Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but look at the juices in this thing. Like, you see all of that? That's flavor. That's all from the marinade. I'm excited. I don't want to talk no more. I just want a plate. Let me get this out the way. That's enough for right now. I'm gonna put the big piece back. See that hand? Somebody over here stealing meat from the board. But let's do this. Put this to the side. We'll push this out the way. Get my little plate here. All right. I'm plating. Now look, if you make this, you gotta let us know how it comes out. We used to cook this at the restaurant and people loved it. This is just good food. It tastes good. It's good for you. We got some rice and peas and coconut milk. We got the sweet plantain, and we're gonna top it off with the pork right now. Bring this a little closer. I'm greedy. I bet you try this pork. This pork tastes good. And I mean, I'm just having fun with it. You can do whatever you want, but boom, done. Let me grab a spoon real quick. All right. So this is how I would serve it if it was me. Get some of that gravy, come in here, drizzle it from the top, get some of that gravy in the rice. And we're done. It looks too good to eat. I don't know if you can see it. It looks good. Cooking with love. Anybody can do this. You just need the jerk marinade. Follow the video, follow the steps. You can do this. And if you want instructions on how to make this rice and peas, put it in the comments. My wife, she will show you how. All right? But take a look. Yeah. All done. All right. I'll see you on the next video because I'm going to eat. All right. See you. Bye-bye. Oh, that's good. Try some of that pork. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.